Hello students. Today our topic of discussion is digital voltmeters. Voltmeter is an electrical instrument used for measuring the potential difference present between 2 points. These voltmeters are of two types, analog voltmeter and digital voltmeter. The measured voltage can be either of AC or DC. Analog voltmeters are made of a dial and a pointer to show the readings. But those instruments had many disadvantages like no accurate results, no precision, etc. So those are replaced by digital voltmeters with a digital technology in it. A digital voltmeter displays the value of AC or DC voltage being measured directly as discrete numerals in the decimal number system. The digital voltmeters are also known as DVM in short process. This is a simple digital voltmeter circuit. The block diagram of this digital voltmeter shown in the figure explains the various blocks as input signal. It is basically the signal that is voltage to be measured. Pulse generator. Actually, it is a voltage source. It uses digital, analog, or both techniques to generate a rectangular pulse. The width and frequency of the rectangular pulse is controlled by the digital circuitry inside the generator, while amplitude and rise and fall time is controlled by analog circuitry. AND gate. It gives high output only when both the inputs are high. When a train pulse is fed to it along with rectangular pulse, it provides us an output having train pulses with duration as same as the rectangular pulse from the pulse generator. NOT gate. It inverts the output of AND gate. Decimal display. It counts the numbers of impulses and hence the duration and display the value of voltage on LED or LCD display after calibrating it. Now let us discuss the working principle of digital voltmeter. Unknown voltage signal is fed to the pulse generator which generates a pulse whose width is proportional to the input signal. Output of pulse generator is fed to one leg of the AND gate. The input signal to the other leg of the AND gate is a train of pulses. Output of AND gate is positive triggered train of duration same as the width of the pulse generated by the pulse generator. This positive triggered train is fed to the inverter which converts it into a negative triggered train. Output of the inverter is fed to a counter which counts the number of triggers in the duration which is proportional to the input signal, that is voltage under measurement. Thus, counter can be calibrated to indicate voltage in volts directly. This is the representation of digital voltmeter using blocks. The working of digital voltmeter that it is nothing but an analog to digital converter which converts an analog signal into a train of pulses, the number of which is proportional to the input signal. So a digital voltmeter can be made by using any one of the analog to digital conversion methods. Nowadays, digital voltmeters are also replaced by digital multimeters due to its multitasking feature. That is, it can be used for measuring current, voltage, and resistance. But still, there are some fields where separated digital voltmeters are being used. Classification. On the basis of analog to digital conversion method used, digital voltmeters can be classified as the following. Ramp type digital voltmeter, integrating type voltmeter, potentiometric type digital voltmeters, successive approximation type digital voltmeter, continuous balance type digital voltmeter. So this is all about digital voltmeters. Stay tuned for the classification details of the digital voltmeters. That is, in the next class, we are going to discuss about ramp type digital voltmeter. Thank you for this session.